Good morning, students. Today is 9th February and thought of the week is to be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Children, we have started chapter 11 statistics, and in the previous video we have seen practice set 11.2 question number 1. So, practice set 11.2 we have already started, and question number 1 is over, and question number 2 I told you how to draw a graph on a graph paper. So this is question number 2. Yesterday in the previous video we have seen this is the x-axis and this will be your y-axis. On y-axis what scale we have taken? Scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students, and both the information of boys and girls we are filling in this single bar, that is of standard 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So question number 2 from page number 72, there we have completed. I told you to write down the solution box, and on right side you have to paste this type of graph. So already it has been explained, children, how to fill, how to divide number of girls and number of boys in this graph. Now let us see question number 3. So what you have to see in question number 3, so the table is given there. In table what is given? Question. Read the question now. You have to open the textbook and read the question 3. In the following table, number of trees planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. So this data 2016 and 2017, how many number of trees are planted in the 4 towns. So the towns we have to fill on the, we have to write the name of the towns or village on x-axis. So you have to draw x-axis like this, put arrows on both the sides, and draw y-axis in this way. There also you have to put arrows on both the sides of y-axis. Then O, this is the origin, point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now the first table, see that table. In the solution you have added the total number of trees planted in Karjat. So first what you will have to do? First leave this first box and write down here, put 2 dots and write down here Karjat. Then leave 1 box, then write Vadgaon. Then third, leave 1 box and write down Shivapur. Again leave 1 box and write down Khandala. Okay. So these are the 4 villages which are given, and there that you have to write in the x-axis. Now on y-axis what you have taken? What is the scale? Scale on y-axis is equal to what? 1 centimeter is equal to 50 trees. Okay. And these two information, planted, trees planted in the year 2016 and trees planted in the year 2017. So for 2017 we have taken the shaded part, and 2016 we have left it, keep it as it is, that is the plain area. Now so how to do? Number of trees in 1 centimeter, how many trees we have taken? 50 trees. So the first dot you have to write over there 50. Then in each box the distance must be 50 only, from 0 to this line, this dot, that is 1 centimeter, so it is 50. Then next centimeter is 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650 and 700. Okay. Now as on y-axis what we have taken? Number of trees. So write down here vertically number of trees, and here horizontally village, name of the village. Okay. Now see the table. In that table, in the year 2016, Karjat, in Karjat number of trees planted in 2016 is what? 150. Then in 2017 number of trees planted are 200, and total trees planted in Karjat is 350. So first of all, what you have to take? 350. The total number of trees planted in Karjat is 350. So where 350 is coming, there you have to put 2 dots and then join it. Join those 2 dots and draw. Take a ruler and dark pencil you have to take, that is the pointed sharp pencil. You will not use pen, children. You have to use only pencil in graph paper. So this total we have taken as 350 number of trees planted in Karjat. So total is 350. Now how many trees planted in the year 2016, that we will show, and in the year 2017 how many trees. See the table now. Number of trees planted in Karjat in the year 2016 is how many? 150, and in 2017 is 200. So what we will take? In 2017 we have taken as shaded part, so we will fill first 2017 trees. So 2017 in Karjat village is 200. So where 200 will come? From 50, 100, 150 and this 200. So you have to draw a horizontal line in the range of 200. So this is the 200 line, and now in Karjat as 200 number of trees are planted in the year 2017. So that we have to shade the area, that is number of trees in Karjat, that is the shaded part. This shaded part, this means what? This is 2017 number of trees planted in 2017. So Karjat village is now, it is over. The shaded part is over, and the rest of it, this will be 150. From 200 to 350, if you see, this is 150. Okay. Now come towards Vadgaon village. Vadgaon. So in Vadgaon, what is the total number of trees planted in Vadgaon? So see the table now. In Vadgaon, in 2016 250 trees, in 2017 300. So what is the total of it? That is 550. So let's see where 550 will come. So this range 550. So you have to draw here at the range 550 and draw the complete bar up to 550. Take a ruler and use dark pencil and sharp pencil and then show it. This will be total of 550. Now the shaded part, that is in 2017, how many number of trees are planted in the year 2017 in Vadgaon? See the table, that is 300. So let's come towards 300, that is where is in on y-axis 300 is coming in this range. So from 0 to 300 we have to mark over here as 300, and what to do? We have to shade this. Shade the portion of 300 from 0 to 300 in this way. You can show zigzag also, you can show these diagonally lines also, and shade this portion, because in 2017 we have shown here the box of shaded part, that's why. So shaded part we have shown now in Vadgaon. Now the rest of it will be of 2016. Now come towards Shivapur. Number of trees planted in 2016 is 200, 2017 is 250, and what is the total of this? 200 plus 250 is what? 450. So let's draw 450 up to 450 from 0 to 450. So this is the 0 part, 0 line, and draw up to 450. This is 450 range. Put 2 dots and join it. Join these 2 dots first with a sharp pencil and then join up to 0. That is the x-axis. On x-axis you have to join these 2 lines and make a bar, single bar. Now here number of trees planted in 2017 in Shivapur is, how many trees are planted? 250. So we will mark of 250. Where 250 is coming? Here. So 215 we have to put a dot over there, and then we will join those 2 dots by drawing a horizontal line, and again we are showing this shaded part. So shade it properly, and it should be neat and clean. It should not be a shabby work. Okay, do it clearly and neatly. So now we have shown here 250 number of trees planted in the year 2017. Okay children, now the rest of the part is what? Number of trees planted in the year 2016 in Shivapur. Now come towards Khandala. Now in Khandala, see the box, that is the solution box which you have already drawn. So in Khandala, in 2016 100 trees are planted. In 2017 150. So 100 plus 150 is 250. So what is the total? 250. So let's see 250. This will be your 250 bar. Put two dots first, then join those two dots by a horizontal line, and then draw a vertical line up to the x-axis, towards x-axis. On x-axis you have to draw like this. Now the number of trees planted in 2017 in Khandala is 150. So where is 150? Here. So draw 150. These two dots you will join and show by a shaded part. In this way we have shown now the shaded part in Khandala village. In this way you have to show, and rest of the part is of 2016. Okay children, so in this way the graph is over of question number 3. Okay, the scale in this way you have to write down, put two boxes. Okay, now question number 4 we will see in the next video.